Here's a question that I think we all need to ask ourselves. Will AI be your personal life assistant? What do you mean by personal life assistant? I mean an AI that understands your needs, your goals, your tasks, and it helps you achieve them. It is not just a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa, it's something much more powerful. It's basically your own personal secretary, except that it works 24/7 without complaining, taking time off, or asking for a raise. For example, a personal life assistant could help you with scheduling appointments, setting reminders, making phone calls, sending messages, even doing some research for you. But it could also do much more than that. It could help you with your finances, your health, your relationships, your education, your career, basically every aspect of your life. The thing is that this kind of AI already exists. It's just not very common yet. There are some apps and services that offer similar features, but they're usually limited, expensive, or complicated to use. But if you want to have a personal life assistant, you don't have to wait. You can create one yourself using tools like ChatGPT, Google Bard, Midjourney, and others. And it doesn't have to be expensive or complicated either. You can do it for free in less than 5 minutes with something called AutoGPT. So let me show you what AutoGPT is and how you can make your personal life assistant in 5 easy steps. Before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial, let's explore why having a personal AI assistant could be beneficial for you. A personal AI assistant can save you a lot of time and energy by automating repetitive tasks such as scheduling appointments, paying bills, or answering emails. It can also help you be more productive by providing reminders, suggestions, or even doing some work for you, such as researching topics or summarizing articles. Additionally, a personal AI assistant can make your life easier by providing information, solving problems, or simply chatting with you. It can access and process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, making it a valuable resource for information. It can also learn from your preferences and adapt to your needs over time. Finally, a personal AI assistant can be a fun and engaging companion, especially if you choose the right personality for it. Now let's see how you can make your personal AI assistant. Here are the 5 steps to make AutoGPT in less than 5 minutes. Step No. 1. Open up ChatGPT and start a new chat. Then type this exact prompt and hit enter. My name is your name, and I want to create a personal AI assistant that will help me with your goal. Can you help me? And then describe in detail what you want to achieve with your personal life assistant. For example, here's my prompt. My name is Juan, and I want to create a personal AI assistant that will help me with productivity. Can you help me? And then I added a detailed description of what I want my personal AI assistant to do. This is important because the more specific you are with your goal, the more accurate and helpful your personal AI assistant will be. Step No. 2. Click on the button that says Try ChatGPT 4. This will allow you to use the latest version of ChatGPT, which is more powerful and advanced. Step 3. Now you need to set the role and personality of your personal life assistant. You can do this by typing a new prompt that starts with you. For example, you are a friendly and efficient virtual assistant. You can add more details to your prompt if you want. For example, you are a friendly and efficient virtual assistant who specializes in productivity. You are good at managing tasks, setting reminders, and finding information. You can also give your personal life assistant a name. For example, you are a friendly and efficient virtual assistant who specializes in productivity. You are good at managing tasks, setting reminders, and finding information. Your name is at G. Now click again on Try ChatGPT 4 to apply this change. Step number 4. Now you need to tell your personal life assistant to remember all the information that you will share with it. To do this, type this exact prompt and hit enter. From now on, please remember everything that I say and use it to help me with my requests. This will make sure that your personal life assistant stays focused and relevant to your needs. Step number 5. Now you are ready to start using your personal life assistant. Just type anything that you want it to do. For example, what is the weather like today? Set a reminder to call my mom tomorrow, or find me a good book to read. Then click on Try ChatGPT 4 to get a response from your personal life assistant. And that's it. You have your own personal AI assistant that can help you with almost anything. Now let me show you some more examples of how you can use AutoGPT. Here are some more examples of what you can ask your personal life assistant. You can ask it to create lists for you. For example, create a grocery list for me, or create a packing list for my vacation. You can ask it to summarize articles or videos for you. For example, summarize this article about AI, or summarize this video about productivity. You can ask it to write things for you. For example, write a poem about AI, or write an email asking for a leave. You can ask it to translate things for you. For example, translate this sentence into Spanish, or translate this paragraph into French. You can ask it to generate ideas for you. For example, give me some ideas for a birthday present, or give me some ideas for a YouTube video. You can ask it to joke around with you. For example, tell me a joke, or make me laugh. And here are some tips on how to get the most out of AutoGPT. You can use AutoGPT for personal or professional tasks. For example, you can use it to plan your day, find information for a project, or even write a speech for an event. You can also use AutoGPT for fun or entertainment. For example, you can use it to play games, chat about random topics, or learn something new. You can also use AutoGPT to improve your skills. For example, you can use it to practice writing, speaking, or thinking critically. You can also use AutoGPT to explore new things. For example, you can use it to discover new hobbies, interests, or perspectives. You can also use AutoGPT to connect with others. For example, you can use it to meet new people, exchange ideas, or build relationships. Basically, the possibilities are endless. You can use AutoGPT for anything that you want or need. However, there are some limitations that you should be aware of. AutoGPT is not perfect and it can sometimes make mistakes or misunderstandings. It is not always accurate or reliable, and it can sometimes be biased or unfair. It is also not a human, and it does not have emotions, opinions, or beliefs. It is also not a mind reader, and it cannot know what you're thinking or feeling. It is also not a replacement for professional advice or help, and it cannot diagnose or treat any medical or mental condition. Finally, it is also not a tool for cheating or deception, and it cannot help you with any illegal or unethical activities. In conclusion, AutoGPT is a simple and easy way to create your own personal life assistant using ChatGPT. It only takes 5 minutes, and you don't need to be a tech expert to do it. You just need to follow these easy steps and you're good to go. You can use AutoGPT for many purposes, such as productivity, education, entertainment, health, and more. It can save you time, make you more productive, and make your life easier and more enjoyable. However, you should also be aware of its limitations and use it responsibly and ethically. Don't forget to give it a try and see how it can help you in your daily life. Who knows, maybe you have your own personal AI assistant that will make you feel like you have a superpower.